Hello everyone. Today we will start with Unit 3, Chapter 2, Combustion. Combustion reactions are important in our daily life as well as industry. They are an important source of energy. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to define combustion, specify the forms of energy that accompany combustion reactions, identify the essential factors for combustion, explain how kindling temperature affects combustion reaction of a substance, describe the rate of combustion reactions, and finally, differentiate between incomplete and complete combustion. We mentioned in the previous lesson that combustion reactions are examples of chemical reactions. The word combustion means burning. Most combustion reactions are accompanied by the release of heat, thus they are exothermic. Some combustion reactions produce light energy. Combustion reactions are an important source of energy. This energy can be converted into many forms, such as electrical energy. Electricity in Lebanon is produced by the combustion of a fuel. What are the factors for combustion reactions? Consider the following experiment. A flask is filled with rubbing alcohol that is a combustible material, which means that it can burn. Using a lighter, we will light the filament. Then to start a combustion reaction, we need a source of heat. As you can observe, the alcohol burns. Next, we use a stopper to cover the filament. We notice that it doesn't burn anymore. Therefore, the combustion reaction stops in absence of air, specifically oxygen gas. Then a combustion reaction can't take place unless three conditions are present: a combustible material, source of heat, and oxygen. Oxygen supports combustion and is called an oxidizer. This relation is represented by the triangle of fire. Combustion stops if an element of the triangle is absent. Which of the following substances burns faster? The kindling temperature, which is the minimum temperature at which combustion starts, determines which substance burns faster. Paraffin, forming the candle, burns faster than wood. Then it has lower kindling temperature. However, wood has a higher kindling temperature. Then it burns slower. Now solve application 1, where you have to arrange each set of substances in increasing order of their kindling temperature. Remember that increasing order means from lowest to highest. Pause the video, then check your answers. Then substances that burn faster have a lower kindling temperature. The following figures show combustion reactions of different substances: rubbing alcohol or ethanol, paper, wood, and rusting nail. These reactions differ by their rate or speed. Combustion of ethanol is very fast, while burning of a paper is fast, and burning of wood is slow. They all produce heat. However, rusting of iron is very slow and doesn't produce heat. In application 2, you have to classify the following combustion reactions according to the rate as very fast, fast, slow, and very slow. There are two types of combustion reactions depending on the amount of oxygen gas present. The first type is complete combustion, which takes place in the presence of sufficient supply of oxygen. In this case, the color of the flame is blue. The second type is incomplete combustion. It occurs when the amount of oxygen isn't enough. In this case, the color of the flame is yellow. During complete combustion of a combustible substance that contains hydrogen and carbon, such as fuel, carbon dioxide and water vapor are produced. However, during incomplete combustion, carbon soot, which is a black deposit, and water vapor are produced. Carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide can be produced during incomplete combustion as well. Carbon monoxide is a toxic gas that causes suffocation and intoxication, since it deprives the body of oxygen. After studying the notes very well, please open your books to page 127 and solve exercise 2 and exercise 3 parts 1 and 2. Take care and stay safe.